Cover: 100% polyester. Fill: 100% polyester fiber from reprocessed plastic bottles. Filled and finished in USA. These chair pads are filled in Arlee's own factory, where over 100 proud American workers maintain quality control standards that exceed industry norms. Plaid Woven Chair Pads. Arlee Home Fashions sustainable seat cushions are filled with 100% polyester fiber from reprocessed plastic bottles. The soft pads have a high-resiliency polyester fiber filling that provides fluffy comfort even on the hardest surfaces. Stay-put chair cushions. The ultra-soft chair cushions have full-length fabric ties long enough to reach around most chairs and to secure the cushions firmly for perfect placement. Durable woven chair pads. Our woven chair pads are fully tufted to prevent lumping. This makes the cushions bouncy and fuller for a longer period. Perfect to use with office chairs, kitchen chairs, and can even be used as floor cushions. Easy to clean. These ultra-soft chair cushions can be spot cleaned, or hand-washed with mild detergent and cool water. The chair pad should be thoroughly dry before placing it on your favorite chair. Our stylish ultra-soft kitchen chair cushions measure 16 inches L by 16 inches W each and come in different colors and styles. Top reviews from the United States. Blues, browns, tans. Nice. Decent quality but not great. When I carefully removed tags from one cushion, the seam opened up and I had to put a few stitches in. So on the others, I cut the tags as closely as possible, but you can still see a little of the white tag at seams. Main thing I wanted to mention is colors. Cushions are blues, browns, cream, tan. There is no green. On my computer screen, the tan areas looked greenish. Even the picture I took has a yellowish-green tint in the lighter stripe. But I promise you there is no green hue at all in these cushions.